Okay, hello guys, welcome back. So in our last video, we were able to generate the table, but now we need to find a way to rearrange the table and also to put position. So let's quickly put the positions of each team. Position of each team. How do I actually know which team is first and which team is second? So let's quickly correct that. Now there is a function in Excel called rank, not the rank average, the rank dot eq. So basically what you do is you use it to rank the position of a number in a group of numbers. So here I'm picking the English piece and I'm saying, okay, rank, what is the English position? So it tells me England is first. If I drag it down, okay, so I can see England is actually first on the table, South Africa is second, France is third, and Finland is fourth. Okay, so that helps me to generate that. But now let's do this. What I will now do is all these workings, I really don't want all my users or customers to see them. You know the way it is. So there would always be a back end where you have all your code and all your workings, then the front end where you actually want the users to see. So because these are my workings, I'm going to save this or rename this sheet and call it the backend sheet. Then I'll create another sheet and rename it. Let's call this the front end. Yeah, so this actually is the part where we want our customers to see, and where we actually want them to have a feel. So this is the one we'll be adding a little beauty onto. So what I'll do is I'll just move this table. Yeah, I'll move it like this. Yeah, it's expected. So we're going to correct this. Let me add a little beauty to it first. Let's do something like this, just to make it look a little bit good. Like I said, we won't be doing a lot of designs, but at least it should still look a little bit good. Okay, now you can see what it brings out here. So we are going to correct this. We want our table to be arranged in the order of first, second, third, and fourth. So I will be using a function called the VLOOKUP. I know this is a very popular function. So to actually pull the data from the back end. So what I'm doing is this, and then I'm pulling the data. I'm saying give me the second column, and we want exact match. So when you're doing VLOOKUP, except you do not have a choice, always make sure you use the exact match. I say now it rearranges. So South Africa being second comes here, and Finland and Co. But that's not the end. So I need to fill other columns too. Okay, and all I will just be doing is changing the return index. That's why I picked all the content at the very beginning. That's 4, so this should be 5, right? Okay, so this pin I just highlight and then drag down. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's just use a little abbreviations here, just to make it look more compact. Not so learn. Okay. So can you see it's actually rearranging as the case would be. So let's say we go back to the back end and say what should we say happened. So let's look at this South Africa England game. Okay, let's say South Africa actually won that game. Okay, so let me update this to be a 2-1. Okay, and then say for the say South Africa France game, what if South Africa actually drew the game? So I'm just trying to mess with the data a little bit, and just to change data so you actually see the impact when you actually have. So the Finland game, Finland drew against France. So if you come here now, if you go back here, you can see everything is updated. Okay, but let's say Finland is last number. Let's imagine Finland actually won all their games. So where are the finished games? Say 3 here. Say 4. Okay, it has only played 2 games. Okay, but let's say, so once you go to the front end, you can say voila, Finland is number 1. So you can see them on top. So any adjustment you make, once you adjust the scores, it basically just updates it here. And that's where I will be ending the video for now. In the next video, so we'll talk about when we want to analyze the team. How do we actually pick a team out to analyze in this table. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.